Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'll guide you through creating a landing page in MailerLite. It's a simple process, and if you want to follow along, there's a link in the description below where you can sign up for a free trial or log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to your dashboard and click on the Sites tab at the top. Next, click on Create Landing Page. You'll be prompted to name your page. Enter a name that describes your page, then click Save and Continue. Choose a template that fits your needs. MailerLite offers various options, so pick one that aligns with your goal. Now use the drag and drop editor to customize your landing page. Add text, images, buttons, and forms, and adjust the design to match your brand. When you're satisfied with your page, click Publish to make it live. I'm offering a free email list building course in the description below where you can learn how my team and I generate $3,493 in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. Your view of our video is deeply appreciated. Thank you for taking the time to support our content.